Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to split screen in Windows. Now there are about 3 to 4 methods, but I'm only going to walk you through 2 main methods right now. The first method is by using the Snap Assist feature, and the second is by keyboard shortcuts. The third is by using the Snap Layout feature. This is for Windows 11, and the last one is by using the Task View method. Let's start with the first one, which is using the Snap Assist feature. All you have to do is drag and drop. Let me show you how. The first thing you do is you click on what you want to put in the first window, the title bar of that one. So let me open it. Let's say I want to put WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp. I want to put in the first window. So drag the title bar from the top here to where you want it to be, and then you open the second one. Let's say the second one I want to use the Task Manager or File Explorer. As you can see, now to open like this, then you just simply drag it where you want it to be, and to give like a split screen view. Now you can decide to make it smaller or bigger, so you can adjust to your desired size. So that's it. Let's do it, and now I can do it as I want the space to be free. That's the first method. Then the second method is the keyboard shortcut method. So let's go back to the normal way it was. The keyboard shortcut method involves you open the first window. That is, I want to use WhatsApp, like I said. I want to use WhatsApp, and then I press Windows key and the left arrow. I want to put it left, and Windows key and the right arrow. I want to put it right. So I want to put it to the right. So I press Windows and the right arrow. You can see it has moved there. It has snapped to the right. Now open the second window. So I want to use my Task Manager again. Second window, and then Windows key to the left and arrow to the left, and that's it. Now you can see this is WhatsApp and this is File Explorer. It's as simple as that. So the third method is by using the Snap Layout feature. Now the Snap Layout feature is the next method we can use, but like I said, I'm not actually going to do that. Instead, I'm just going to tell you what to do. It's for Windows 11. So you open the first window, hover your mouse over the maximize button in the top right corner of the window, and the Snap Layout will appear. Then you choose the layout you want, left hand, right hand, or top or bottom. You see it like boxes will be drawn. What I mean is this. Let's say I want to use this one. So when I hover here, over here, the maximize button here, there will be like a drop down, let's say like a new menu that will appear around the side with the options, with the layout. They call it the Snap Layout. So when you over here, don't click, just hover. So a Snap Layout will appear here. Then you see the first will have a box, and the box will show you the left half. The other one will show you the right half, and the last one will show you top and bottom. So you click the one you want to show to choose the desired location for your two windows, for the first window. So once you click the one you want, the first window will snap into the place you chose, and then you click on the empty space where you want the second window to appear, and you select second window will also appear there after selecting it from the taskbar. The last method is by using the Task View method. Now the Task View method, let us go through that. So you press the Windows key and the Tab key, Windows and the Tab key, and then you bring out your Task View. And then once you've worked out this, the next thing you're going to do is select the first window you want to snap, drag the window to one side of the screen, whether left or right, and then select the second window you want to snap and drag it to opposite side of the screen. So these are all the methods you can use for split view. Now these methods help provide flexible ways to split your screen and efficiently multitask in Windows. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for